already. Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today we're going over the best CPA offers, the best email submit offers found on MAXBOUNTY. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now let's get straight into it. I was inspired to make this video because time and time again I watch MAXBOUNTY videos looking for help and just new ideas and new motivation. And you know, over and over again I see the people who promote MAXBOUNTY on YouTube, they never show the winning offers. They'll tell you, oh, try this out, try this out, try this niche out, try this niche out, but they will never show you the exact CPA offer they're using to make money off of. So I went ahead and I had paid for one of the courses, and I found out that email submits are making MAXBOUNTY promoters or MAXBOUNTY marketers the most money. It's the easiest, and I just want to go over some of the best offers I found, some of the offers that work for me, and just to help you out, anybody out there that's interested in getting involved in CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, just using MAXBOUNTY. This video will help you out a lot, so make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Now, if you don't have a MAXBOUNTY account, you can go ahead in the description and go ahead and sign up for MAXBOUNTY. But I'm assuming that you already have a MAXBOUNTY account and that you're already aware of CPA offers. Now, what we're focusing on, again, we're focusing on email submit offers. Now, this is the easiest thing. All they would have to do on this CPA offer is submit an email, submit registration information. It's something very simple for us to get paid. Now, as you can see in the back end, when we do the search, I like searching and going into the campaign search and searching it by, filtering it by my approved offers and searching email submits. Now, when you search like this, you'll see a lot of results pop up. We have 2 pages of email submit offers, and you know, if you don't know what you're looking at, it can be kind of hard just dissecting and having discernment on which ones to pick. But I went through and I'm just going to help you pick some of the best ones out of the crowd. Now, first, we're going to start off with Divine Pets. Now, there are different ways to promote each of these offers, so I'm going to leave how to promote them at the end, but it's different rules for each campaign, and you will be able to see this anytime during the video in the description. So each campaign that you promote has different sets of rules, and you have to follow these. You know, I've lost money testing, not paying attention to the description, but you have to follow the guidelines of the description so you're able to get paid out. Now, the first one right here, very easy to promote. Divine Pets, win free pet food for a year. I just, you know, when I think about products or offers, I just try to put myself in other people's shoes. What do people love? What are people most interested in? What are timeless niches like healthcare? But one thing, you know, why I like this offer is because people love their dogs, and who wouldn't want to win free pet food for a year? It's very easy. All you need is their email and a 1-page submit, and this campaign does not have a daily cap. That means if you get 1,000 leads, you can get $1,000 that day. So that's why I like this campaign. Number one, doesn't have a daily cap. Only thing about this, you cannot advertise with Google, or you can't send YouTube traffic here. So that means you can't have this link in the description of a video. So like I said, for every email submit offers I'm about to show you, there are different rules for it. Now, as you can see, that has no cap. Now let's go to the next one. Now, this is another one I like. This one also has no cap, and it converts on the first page. All they have to do is submit an email right here and click get free samples. But this is another one I like. You know, who wouldn't want free samples, free product samples, things around the house, things that we use day to day, you know, things that you have to go, like, you know, you're gonna have to go to the store eventually and get some more washing or laundry detergent. And you can market these offers to older people. You can market them to even like younger people that's getting on their feet. But it's a lot of women, you know, online that always buying things online, always looking for a deal, a bargain. And if you can target in on that audience, you could do very good on some of these email submit offers. Now, another one I got saved. And remember, you can pause the video at any time and take these campaign IDs, remember the titles, but this is something other YouTubers won't do, is show you the exact offers that are winning. So we got Divine Pets for one, we got I Love Samples for another one, and then we got the Fitbit watch. Win a Fitbit. This very easy, no cap, $240 per lead. This is great. Very little restrictions in the advertisement. Only restrictions is you can't use free. So you just have to get creative, and you can't say get a free Fitbit watch. You just can't say something like that. But it's like you have to just be a little more creative and not use free in the title. And that's why each campaign, like I said, each campaign has different restrictions. So at the end, I'll go over a couple of ways which you could promote these campaigns. Now, another one is the Donald Trump. Now, this one I got like in my back pocket for, I'm just thinking about, election season. I'm not really into politics, but, if it's a way you can benefit off of all of the commotion and energy, and not be so distracted and caught up and, just use for your time and attention. Like, why not have a good CPA offer you could put out there, knowing that it's going to be a lot of eyes and attention on this next upcoming election. It's just a business move. It's a strategic chess move, and all of the traffic that's going to be driven toward Trump. And I will be testing this campaign out like later on in the year, but I just have it bookmarked, because it's a very easy campaign. Email submit. All they have to do is, say if Trump is a good president or not. A lot of people have very strong opinions about Trump, so it's real good. You could promote this as a survey. So you could do it on Facebook. You could promote this a lot of places, but you could promote this simply as a survey. Is the president doing a good job? Submit your email to answer the question. There you go, 100 leads a day. And you can see this campaign does not have a daily cap, so that's good, and we like that. We want campaigns without a daily cap. Now, this right here, this campaign, this is my number one campaign right here. Get free diapers. Now, this campaign I had to learn, you know what I'm saying? But I was running traffic, and I was making money at first, and I was making money off this campaign. I went back into, I used Propeller Ads for this, and I went back into Propeller Ads, and I used, Huggies, and you can't use any brand or trademark bidding. So I was bidding on Huggies, and I was wondering why I didn't receive any leads, and that was the reason why. That's why it is very important to pay attention to the search restrictions on your campaigns, on these individual campaigns. But this one will make you a lot of money. It's only 300 actions per day. At 240, it's like 700 a day if you max out. But very good campaign. Recommend this campaign to everybody. It's so many people with kids. There, so many young people with kids. And they're always looking for, free samples or, bargain, any discount they can get on diapers. That stuff like that gets expensive. So, I always focus on this offer. This was the first offer I promoted on MAXBOUNTY that actually made me some money. So, I always go back to this offer. If I'm trying out new things and nothing working, I always come back to this email submit offer, run a campaign on it, and it's good. It's known to do good for me. So I just wanted to, let y'all know that. So another campaign that's very good is this Dove soap. Once again, something that we all need, body soap. Eventually you're going to run out in your home. Eventually you're going to run out of some soap. So I like promoting, healthcare products, things that I feel like we need, things that I feel like people are emotionally attached to, that'll be easier for them to, make a decision and submit, some simple information like their email. Now, this one also does not have a daily cap. I think the only campaign I showed y'all that has a daily cap is this Get Diapers, but still, I would still promote this and invest money in this. It's worth it. So this one does not have a daily cap, and that was the main theme for these email submit offers, is that they don't have a daily cap. So if you once you get your first sale, that's the thing about making money online. Like, you have to get your first sale. Once you figure out the source in which you got your first sale, you have to scale that source and do that over and over and over again. And once you get your first sale or get your first lead, you know, it'll give you confidence. You'll see that, oh, it's possible. Once you go back into your dashboard and you see the money is there, you be like, oh, it's possible to make money doing this. So, you know, I just recommend getting started and you know, getting your feet wet, getting some experience. It'll definitely boost your confidence. So yeah, this campaign, once again, no daily cap, something that we all need. I like the landing page. It's very clean, you know, it's very clickable. You know, I think the click-through rate gotta be high on this page. So yeah, I really like this page. Now, for these email submit offers, okay, the last three, I showed you the Trump, I showed you the diaper samples, and I showed you the Dove soaps. Now, these ads you could run these either through classified ads or propeller ads or Facebook. I recommend for the last three, for propeller ads, classified ads, and Facebook, for the Donald Trump, for the diapers, and for the soap. Now, for the dog food, for the I love samples, for get Fitbit, you know, the Fitbit one, I recommend using what's called SoloAds. Udemy SoloAds. And this is where you basically use people's email list, and you know, you pay to use their email list, and they push out a creative email where, you know, people from their email list can click on your link, and you know, and you get the lead that way. So Udemy is the #1 place where you can do this on the internet. So I like Udemy. I've used Udemy in the past and I've got results. I made videos about it. Videos probably kind of old. May need to remake some of those videos, but yeah, Udemy. It was actually a case study right here where somebody spent $12,000 on Udemy SoloAds and they made $50,000 back. I just want to show you so y'all know I'm not lying. So how I turned $12,000 into $50,000 cash. So, you know, Udemy is good. And you know, when it comes to CPA offering, oh wait, I want to show you two other websites. The free ad forum is also good for, you know, the free pet food, the I love samples, and the Fitbit watch. The free ad forum, I recommend paying the $5 and making your ad premium, so you can have it, you know, automatically being promoted to tens of thousands of visitors not for free, but automatically without any more effort after you first create the offer. So, you know, you want some money coming in on autopilot. And this is another one, forum. You could promote on a free ads forum. And these forums and classified ad sites I'm showing you are specifically designed to get you leads. And it's a lot of people looking for home-based business opportunities coming to these websites. So that's my video for today. I hope y'all got some good information out of that. I will be making more videos on MAXBOUNTY. I just feel like it's so much we got to talk about. I can only screen record for 15 minutes, so I was trying my best to get all of the information in at once. Thank you for everybody that watched this video. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out.